What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos channel. Appreciate you guys joining me. Something that has always intrigued me about crypto, digital currency in general is spending, right? The current financial system that we use for spending, credit cards, stuff like that, is dated. Okay, it's dated, it's slow, it's got some security issues, all these sorts of things. And the way to fix this is with blockchain. Okay. So a lot of people right now are very interested in spending crypto, and it's beginning to grow in popularity as time goes on. That's why you see more and more crypto spending options. But there is one direct competitor to crypto spending, and that is central bank digital currencies. Now, these central bank digital currencies are government-backed digital forms of currency that are available to the general public. And we see as time goes on that there's more and more countries that are interested in, getting into these sorts of things. They're going through the, development and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to show you guys what's going on there. But there are some countries that have dropped out, some central banks that have dropped out. I kind of want to show you guys some of the banks or some of the countries and some of the reasons why. So Denmark, for example, has started getting interested in digital currency back in 2016. They were going to do their own Danish digital krone. So what they ended up figuring out was it's not clear how retail CBDCs will create significant value or significant added value relative to its existing solutions in Denmark. So they feel like their current system that they have in place is just fine. Okay. And Japan figured out the same thing, right? And you see time and time again, there's all these countries that are maybe going through these pilot sorts of programs and are finding out it doesn't work for them. Now, even though there are some countries that it's not working in, there are quite a few that are getting close to the point where it's going to be. So we can see here that there's 15 countries that are currently in their pilot programs, and there are some big ones. Okay, we're talking about Russia, we're talking about Kazakhstan, we're talking about China, South Korea, South Africa, all these big players. And even still, there's tons of countries that are going through development. Canada is going through development. Brazil is going through development. Australia. And there are even still further countries like the US, Mexico, that are still in the research phase. Now, whether this will take on completely is another discussion in and of itself, whether whether it's relevant or not, right? Because obviously, cryptocurrency is still a good solution. It's fast. It's cheap, right? There's tons of options, whether that be current integrations with different card processing companies, or whether that's entire crypto pay rail systems altogether. There's all these solutions that are currently out there. Now, will these get better as time goes on? Will there be more options available? Absolutely. That just seems to be the direction that everything is going. But just know that crypto spending may not be the only thing out there in the future. But as we move forward, it looks like everything is moving towards a digital spending option. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out the video. If you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one.